Houston is the fourth most populous city in the United States, with a population of over 2.3 million residents as of 2021. The city is named after Sam Houston, a key figure in the Texas Revolution and the first president of the Republic of Texas. Houston was founded in 1836 by brothers Augustus Chapman Allen and John Kirby Allen on land near the banks of Buffalo Bayou. The city is known for its diverse population, with over 145 languages spoken, making it one of the most multicultural cities in the country. Houston has a strong economy, heavily influenced by the energy sector, particularly oil and natural gas production. The city is home to the Texas Medical Center, the largest medical complex in the world, which employs over 100,000 people and serves millions of patients annually. Houston hosts the annual Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo, the largest livestock show and rodeo in the world, attracting millions of visitors each year. The city has a thriving art scene, with institutions like the Museum District, which includes 19 museums within a 1.5-mile radius. The Space City nickname comes from Houston's historical connection with NASA's Johnson Space Center, where human spaceflight training and operations are conducted. Houston's climate is classified as humid subtropical, characterized by hot summers and mild winters, with an average total rainfall of about 50 inches. The city has a rich culinary scene, known for its diverse offerings, including Tex-Mex, barbecue, and international cuisines from around the world. Houston is home to the largest concentration of healthcare and research institutions in the world, making it a global leader in medical research. The Houston Ship Channel is one of the busiest waterways in the United States, facilitating international trade and commerce. The city has a vibrant music scene, known for genres like country, blues, hip-hop, and rock, with numerous live music venues and festivals. Houston's skyline is notable for its unique architecture, featuring over 500 high-rise buildings, including the Williams Tower and the J.P. Morgan Chase Tower. The city is known for its parks and green spaces, with over 340 parks covering more than 10,000 acres, including Hermon Park and Buffalo Bayou Park. Houston's professional sports teams include the Houston Texans, NFL, Houston Rockets, NBA, and Houston Astros, MLB, attracting passionate fan bases. The city is a major hub for the aerospace industry, with companies like Boeing and Lockheed Martin having significant operations in the area. Houston's annual Art Car Parade is one of the largest in the world, showcasing creatively decorated vehicles and attracting thousands of spectators. The city's population is projected to continue growing, with estimates suggesting it could reach over 3 million by 2030. Houston is home to several Fortune 500 companies, including ConocoPhillips, Halliburton, and Cisco, contributing to its robust economy. The city has a strong presence in the tech industry, with a growing number of startups and tech companies establishing a foothold in the area. Houston is the only city in the United States to have a major professional sports team for each of the 4 major leagues: NFL, NBA, MLB, and MLS. The Houston Chronicle is the largest daily newspaper in Texas and one of the largest in the United States. The city has a significant number of cultural festivals throughout the year, celebrating everything from Greek culture to Asian heritage. Houston's education system includes several universities and colleges, such as the University of Houston and Rice University, known for their research programs. The city is a leading center for energy research and innovation, hosting numerous conferences and events focused on the energy sector. Houston is often ranked among the best cities in the U.S. for business and job growth, attracting professionals from various fields. The city's diverse neighborhoods, like Montrose and the Heights, contribute to its unique character and vibrancy, each offering distinct cultural experiences. Houston has a rich history in civil rights, being a significant location for the civil rights movement in the 1960s. The city is home to several historic sites, including the San Jacinto Battleground, where the decisive battle for Texas independence took place. Houston's public transportation system, Metro, provides bus and light rail services to help residents navigate the city. The city has a vibrant theater district, hosting performances from major companies like the Houston Symphony, Houston Ballet, and Alley Theater. Houston's art scene is complemented by events like the Houston Art Fair, which showcases contemporary art from around the world. The city has a diverse range of educational opportunities, including specialized schools and programs focused on STEM education. Houston is known for its thriving craft beer scene, with numerous breweries and brewpubs offering a variety of local brews. The city is a key player in the global oil market, with many major oil companies headquartered or operating in the area. Houston hosts several annual marathons and races, attracting runners from all over the country to participate in events like the Chevron Houston Marathon. The city has a rich sports history, with notable moments such as the Houston Astros winning the World Series in 2017 and 2022. Houston's diverse architecture includes a mix of historic buildings and modern skyscrapers, reflecting its growth and evolution over the years. The city is known for its hospitality and friendly residents, often referred to as Houstonians. Houston's culinary scene is also influenced by its proximity to the Gulf of Mexico, providing access to fresh seafood. The city has a strong focus on sustainability, with initiatives aimed at reducing carbon emissions and promoting green living. Houston's economy benefits from its strategic location near the Gulf Coast, facilitating trade with international markets. The city has a large number of cultural institutions, including the Houston Museum of Natural Science and the Contemporary Arts Museum Houston. Houston's public parks offer a variety of recreational activities, including hiking, biking, and picnicking along the bayous.